Accurate scan registration is crucial to being able to properly visualise and understand point cloud data. The Maptek Online Training PointStudio Registration course details how to import and register scans. Start by importing your raw scan data. Consider the importance of units. Import scan points and align your scan to survey locations. Perform a basic registration to align individual scans into a single coherent point cloud suitable for modelling. Discover how proper file names can speed up your registration workflow. Complete an automated global registration to align your scans. Control point filters to optimise your registration and export registered scans to accelerate future workflows. Troubleshoot the cause of unregistered or misaligned scans. Perform manual transformations. Define strategic points to quickly align scans, and leverage a single registered scan to automatically align all scan data. Test your knowledge and download a certificate you can add to LinkedIn once you pass the exam. Get to understand PointStudio registration with Maptek Online Training. Find out more at maptek.com.